Shri Sai Ram. In the previous session, we discussed about cosine formula. Let us discuss about projection formula in this session. Before that, let us discuss the answers for the previous assignment questions. First question we had, in any triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square into cot A plus c square minus a square into cot B plus a square minus b square into cot C, which is equal to 0. So let us take the left hand side, and in place of cot A we can write cos A by sin A, and in place of cot B we can substitute cos B by sin B, and in place of cot C we can substitute cos C by sin C, and we can make the substitution what is sin A, sin B, sin C by using sin formula, that is sin A is equal to AK, sin B is equal to BK, sin C is equal to CK. And similarly, by using the cosine formula, we can substitute what is cos A, cos B, cos C. So, we get b square minus c square into b square plus c square minus a square by 2bcak, c square minus a square c square plus a square minus b square by 2acbk plus a square minus b square into a square plus b square minus c square by 2abck. Now, we can see in each term 1 by 2 abck is common, so let us take it out, and remaining terms that we should simplify. So simplify and get the value, that is 0. So we get 1 by 2 abck into 0, which is equal to 0. In the second problem, the sides of a triangle are A is equal to 9 cm, B is equal to 8 cm, C is equal to 4 cm. Show that 6 cos C is equal to 4 plus 3 cos B. So first find out what is 6 cos C, that is left hand side, and next find out what is right hand side, that is 4 plus 3 cos B, and prove that they are equal. So you can make use of, for cos C, you can substitute the cosine formula, that is a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, and substitute the values A for ABC, which is given in the question, and on simplification you will get the left hand side, that is to be 43 by 8. Similarly, right hand side, substitute cos B as c square plus a square minus b square by 2ac, and substitute the values for ABC and simplify, you will get the answer 43 by 8. So as we see, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next problem we have, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5, find cos A, cos B, cos C. So let us find out. It's a direct problem. Just apply the formula. Cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc, which is equal to, substitute the values, you will get 4 by 5. Next, similarly cos B, you will get 3 by 5, cos C is equal to 0. Now let us move on to the projection formula. So, projection formula states that in any triangle, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B, B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C, C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. So, now we can prove that. So, for the proof, we are considering the same figure, that is we are considering a triangle ABC where a perpendicular is drawn from A to BC. So we get the perpendicular AD, and similarly we are considering the three cases for angle C, that is angle C is acute angle C is right angle, and angle C is obtuse angle. Now let us prove that. So first let us find out what is, from the case 1, in case 1 let us find out what is cos B. So for cos B, what is that? Cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent side is BD. So BD by hypotenuse is AB, which is equal to BD by AB is nothing but C. So this will imply what is BD? BD is equal to C cos B. Now let us find out what is cos C. Cos C is nothing but, so cos C is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that is DC by hypotenuse AC, that is DC by B. Now this will imply cos, that is DC is equal to B cos C. Now, what is BC? Because we need to prove what is BC is nothing but A. So, BC is nothing but, we can see here, that is BD plus DC. So, what is BD? We know that BD is nothing but C cos B. BD is nothing but C cos B plus DC is nothing but B cos C. So, in the case 1, we have proved the projection formula for A, that is A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C, or else we can say B cos C plus C cos B. So, we know in case 2, angle C is 90 degree. So, we have cos C which is equal to 0, that is cos 90 is 0. Now, what is B cos C then? B cos C is B into 0, that is also 0. So, now let us find out what is cos B. So, cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse, so that is BD by hypotenuse AB, that is BD by C. Now, what is BC? Because we need to know what is A. BC, which is A. So, BC is nothing but, actually BC here, it is same as BD. Now, let us multiply and divide by AB. So, I multiply and divide by AB. Now, if I multiply and divide, what is this? BD by AB. BD by AB is nothing but cos B and AB is C. So, we can see this BD by AB, we can substitute, that is cos B into AB is C. So, C cos B we got, that is BC, and we can write that is plus 0. The value is unchanged if you add 0. And instead of 0, I can write, here I have C cos B plus instead of 0, I can write B cos C, because here B cos C is also equal to 0. So, I am replacing 0 by B cos C. So, we got BC, that is AB, BC, that is A, which is equal to C cos B plus B cos C. Now, let us find out what is in case 3. So, in case 3, we know that angle C is obtuse angle. So, we have to make use of the exterior angle. So, let us find out what is cos B. Cos B is nothing but, so we have to consider the triangle ABD. So, what is cos B? Adjacent side BD by hypotenuse AB, that is BD by hypotenuse AB, that is C. This will imply what is BD? BD is C cos B. Now, let us consider what is cos 180 minus C, that is cos of exterior angle. So, what is cos 180 minus C? So, that is adjacent side CD by hypotenuse AC, that is CD by B. And what is cos 180 minus C? Cos 180 minus C is minus cos C. So, minus cos C is equal to CD by B, or CD is equal to minus B cos C. Minus B cos C. Now, let us find out what is BC, because we need to know what is A. So, A is BC, which is equal to BD minus CD. What is BD? BD is C cos B minus BD minus, what is CD? CD is minus B cos C. So, minus of minus here plus. So, we have A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C. So, we got A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C in all the 3 cases. So, therefore, it holds for all the triangle. Now, we can find out the other 2 projection formula, that is B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. By drawing the perpendicular from B and taking the condition for angle C for all the three cases. That is, case 1 angle C is acute, case 2 angle C is right angle, and in case 3 angle C is obtuse angle. So what we have to do? We have to draw the perpendicular, so we get the perpendicular BD instead of perpendicular AD. Next, also we get C, which is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. This we can prove by taking the perpendicular from C. You have to take the perpendicular from C. So we get the perpendicular CD, and you have to take the conditions, that is three cases, in terms of angle for angle B. That is, angle B is acute, angle B is obtuse, angle B is right angle. So we can prove the projection formula. Now let us solve the problems. First problem, deduce sine formula from the projection formula. That is, we have to get sine formula from the projection formula. So we have the projection formula. Let us take the first one, that is A is equal to, we have the projection formula, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Now for B, let us substitute B as K sin B. Let us substitute B as K sin B, and let us substitute C as K sin C. So what we get? K sin B cos C plus K sin C cos B. Now we can take the K out. So we get sin B cos C plus sin C cos B. So we can see here it is sin B cos C plus sin C cos B. That is nothing but of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is sin A plus B formula. So here in place of A you have B, in place of C, in place of B you have C. So we can see here that is K into sin B plus C. Now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 or pi. So what is B plus C? B plus C is 180 minus A. So we can substitute that, that is K into sin 180 minus A. What is sin 180 minus A? That is sin A. So we get A is equal to K sin A. Or we can rewrite that, that is, or A by, I am taking sin A to the other side, so A by sin A, which is equal to K. Now let us take the second one, that is, we have B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Now for C, let us substitute C as K sin C cos A plus A as K sin A cos C. Now you can take K out, so that is sin C cos A plus sin A cos C. Now again we can see this is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So, but in place of A you have C, in place of B you have A. So we can write this as sin C plus A or A plus C. So now what is sin A plus C? So A plus C is nothing but, that is 180 minus B. So we can write this as K into sin of 180 minus C. So 180 minus B, that is K into sine of 180 minus B is sine B. So that is K sine B. Or else we can write that as, so we have the left hand side B. B by sine B is equal to K. Now let us take the third one, that is C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. We can substitute A as K sin A cos B plus K sin B cos A. So we can take K out. So we get sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So this is nothing but sin A plus B. So sin A plus B we can write that as sin of 180 minus C, which is equal to K into sin C. Now from there we can write C by sin C, which is equal to C by sin C, which is equal to K. So we got A by sin A, which is equal to B by sin B, which is equal to C by sin C, which is equal to K. So that is nothing but the sine formula. Now let us move on to the next problem. We have, in a triangle ABC, prove that C minus B cos A by B minus C cos A, which is equal to cos B by cos C. So we have to make use of the projection formula. So we have the left hand side, that is C minus B cos A by B minus C cos A. So that is nothing but C. For C we can substitute the projection formula. What is projection formula for C? That is A cos B plus B cos A minus B cos A divided by, here B is nothing but projection formula, that is C cos A plus A cos C minus C cos A. Now A cos B plus B cos A minus B cos A. So plus B cos A minus B cos A, that is 0. And similarly in the denominator, plus C cos A minus C cos A, that is 0. So what is left? That is A cos B by A cos C. So A gets cancelled. What is left? That is cos B by cos C. So now we have come to an end of this session where we have assignment questions. With the first question, in any triangle ABC, prove that cos A by cos B, which is equal to B minus A cos C divided by A minus B cos C. So what you have to do, you have to take the right hand side, B minus A cos C by A minus B cos C. This problem is similar to the last problem. You have to substitute B and A. You have to substitute the projection formula. Next, we can see the second problem. Prove that A minus B cos C by C minus B cos A, which is equal to sin C by sin A. So here also we have to substitute the projection formula for A and C, and later you have to substitute the sin formula and simplify, you will get sin C by sin A. So with this we have completed this chapter, relations between sides and angles of a triangle. With this I conclude my session. Thank you. Sai Ram.